Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. Today's, with most of my screencasts, I'll be discussing the reciprocal system and how it compares to conventional theory. This time we're going to look at an outside external solar system, an exosystem. And let's see, let's go to ScienceDaily.com. I like to go there for the latest research news. These screencasts are based on my WordPress blog at www.reciprocalsystem.guru. With YouTube videos, I'm attempting to reach a wider audience. So, the title of this piece from Science Daily is First Pluto, Now This. Discovery of first binary calls solar system formation into question. Wow. So let's read the summary here. This comes from University of Florida. Everything we know about the formation of solar systems might be wrong, say two astronomers. They've discovered the first binary, two massive companions around one star in a close binary system, one so-called giant planet and one brown dwarf or failed star. The first, called Marvel S-7a, is 12 times the mass of Jupiter, while the second, Marvel S-7b, has 57 times the mass of Jupiter. Let's scroll down here. Okay, the conventional astronomers believe that planets in our solar system formed from a collapsed disk-like gaseous cloud, with our largest planet, Jupiter, buffered from smaller planets by the asteroid belt. In the new binary system, which is named HD 87646, the two giant companions are close to the minimum mass for burning deuterium and hydrogen, meaning that they have accumulated far more dust and gas than what a typical collapsed disk-like gaseous cloud can provide. They're likely formed through another mechanism. The stability of the system, despite such massive bodies in close proximity, raises new questions about how protoplanetary disks form. Alright. And it says here, continuing, HD 87646's primary star is 12% more massive than our Sun, yet is only 22 astronomical units away from its secondary, a star about 10% less massive than our Sun, roughly the distance between the Sun and Uranus in our solar system. An astronomical unit is the mean distance between the center of the Earth and our Sun, but in cosmic terms, it's a relatively short distance. Within such a short distance, two giant companions are orbiting the primary star at about 0.1 and 1.5 astronomical units away. For such large companion objects to be stable so close together defies our current popular theories on how solar systems form. Okay, so the last paragraph here. The planet-hunting Doppler instrument WM Keck Exoplanet Tracker, or KECET, developed by a team led by GE at the Sloan Digital Sky Survey telescope at Apache Point Observatory in New Mexico, is unusual in that it can simultaneously observe dozens of celestial bodies. GE says this discovery would not have been possible without a multiple object Doppler measurement capability such as KECET. To search for a large number of stars to discover a very rare system like this one. I see. The survey of HD 87646 occurred in 2006 during the pilot survey of the multi-object APO Radial Velocity Exoplanet Large Area Survey, MARVELS. Of the SDSS-3 program, GE led the MARVELS survey from 2008 to 2012. It's taken over 8 years of follow-up data collection through collaboration with over 30 astronomers at 7 other telescopes around the world and careful data analysis, much of which was done by Bo Ma, to confirm what GE calls a very bizarre finding. Okay, wow. Let's see what the reciprocal system says about this particular system. Okay, so from the reciprocal system of theory, we can deduce that originally there was a single binary star system there. Then both stars went supernova, resulting in 2 red giants and 2 planets or failed stars, which did not become white dwarfs. Both red giants then contracted back to the main sequence. So now we see 2 stars and 2 planets, which the article says is a binary system. Okay? So this is completely different than the idea that planets form out of a condensation of a large dust cloud. Planets are definitely failed stars. So a supernova explosion can create a binary system or can create a solar system, depending on the extent of the explosion. So instead of going from 2 stars to 4 stars, this went from 2 stars to another set of 2 stars plus 2 planets, which are failed stars. Now, I wouldn't be surprised if there weren't some more planets to be discovered around these objects. All right, well, that takes care of our discussion for today. For the simplest possible treatment of the reciprocal system, please obtain my work, The Unmysterious Universe. Very short, very concise, numerous diagrams, just the concepts, very little in the way of mathematics. You can get it from Amazon.com or TranspowerCorp.com. Now, if you do want all the mathematics, I have my magnum opus, which is Existence and Interactions, a computational treatise of the reciprocal system, the true theory of everything. 711 pages in the PDF and 711 slides in the PowerPoint file. You would use the PDF to do searches, you'd use the PowerPoint file to read or give lectures with. Thousands and thousands of equations, numerous tables, diagrams, everything is there. It'll take you months to go through that work. Now, once you're through Existence and Interactions, you should then be ready for the 2 database modules, which will help you use the reciprocal system in your scientific or engineering work. The reciprocal system microcosmos database contains calculations for the properties of photons, subatoms, atoms, compounds, and alloys. Also includes computations for cosmic atoms and subatomic particles. The second module, Reciprocal System Macrocosmos Database, contains calculations for and property listings of astrophysical objects like the universe as a whole, galaxy clusters, galaxies, star clusters, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies like asteroids and comets, and voids. Very thorough, very complete. Both modules contain complete graphing facilities. Now, Dewey B. Larson was also a theoretical economist as well as a theoretical physicist, and I've made his economics work fully computational, just like I've made Dewey B. Larson's physical science work fully computational. So my Optimal Economist software program makes it easy to apply Larson's econophysics to individual economics, company economics, business sector economics, and the economics of countries, macroeconomics. All these are available from TranspowerCorp.com and Amazon.com, of course. We provide free phone and email support to all customers in good standing. So, please study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself. Thanks for your attention.